What's up, guys? Alec here. Today I just wanted to show you how to find the perfect and pick the perfect products to sell on Amazon with a low cost to source and a high margin. A lot of people think that when selling on Amazon, and the myth is that there's such low profit margins that nobody's making money. And while in a lot of cases that's true, a lot of products aren't really good to source. If you know what you're looking for and you know what to go after, you can actually find some really amazing products to source from China and to private label under your own brand and sell with that have extremely high margins. Some around like even 50 to 60%, and that's extremely good margins. So today I just want to show you how to pick those products that will be perfect for your product line with those high profit margins to make you a great profit per month, anywhere from like 10 to 15,000 net profit per month. So without further ado, I just want to show you how to do this. So I made a little PDF over here. So when you're searching for your product, if you know what to look for, you could find these great products. Usually they have a low initial order investment, and it usually only costs about $1,000 to $2,000, or somewhere in the middle of that if you're sourcing your products from China, and they cost anywhere from like $1 to $3. It won't be that much to get an order in, and if you follow this criteria. So if you know what to look for, you could find these products all over Amazon. So I just want to go over a few of the criteria that I kind of put down for you guys to help you guys find some great products. So when you're looking at it, what the price you want to stay in the range is over $15 and below $30. So that's the perfect range. It's not too low and it's not too high. That's the perfect impulse buying range for any customer. If it goes over like, $30, $40, $50, they kind of have to, the customer has to think twice about the purchase. Maybe they'll actually analyze other competitors even more and, talk to somebody else, or maybe even go to a store to like pick it up and feel it. So you want to stay between $15 and $30. So that's the perfect range. Anything below $15, it becomes a little low, and your profit margin is not going to be that much. It can only be like $3, $4, which is okay. I have written down here it's okay if you could move and you could sell about 2, 3, 4,000 a month at a $3, $4 profit margin. That's a pretty good profit per month. But you kind of want to stay above $15 to stay in the green like zone. So the reviews, max 1 to 2 sellers with 1,000 reviews, and the rest in the low 50s or 100s. You don't want too many reviews. You could look at the other videos I have on my channel here where I go into depth and detail about product selection and product research. But today this video is just going to pretty much be about how to find those low-cost, high-margin products. Because I think it's extremely important. A lot of people don't think it's possible, and it is 100% possible to find these products when you're starting your business on Amazon. They're perfect products to add to your line, and they'll give you the most ROI on your investment and the highest profit. So the cost to source these items, you can find them on Alibaba usually for $1 to $3 or somewhere in the middle. They're from China, so they're gonna be on the low end to source. And when you get them into Amazon, if you do all the marketing and everything right, you have amazing images, you could sell these products for $15, $20, $25. And after all the fees and all the Amazon fees, shipping, everything, all the costs are taken away, you're left with a healthy profit margin, sometimes $8, $10, $12. And if you're moving 1,000 a month, that's 8 to 10 to 12,000 pure profit a month. I mean, that's just incredible for the amount of freedom you have in this business. You're not like strapped to a desk. You could travel. You have the unlimited freedom, and you just have to continually just keep updating your listing, making sure it looks good, and just replenishing inventory. So the cost source, like I said, $1 to $3, and you want to stay small and lightweight. So I was looking through Jungle Scout, and I just lost myself here. Try. So I was looking through Jungle Scout, which is the product research tool that Amazon sellers use, and I have the link for that in the description below. It's an amazing tool, and basically what this does, it's a product database, and you could put your criteria into the boxes here, select all your categories, and hit search, and it will basically search an entire database of all the Amazon products and give you a filtered out list that basically shows you what you want to see. So what I did here was I put in $16.43, and then for the minimum price, and then the maximum price that I want to look for is $24.06. Now I'm putting those random numbers at the end because it's going to show me all of the products that a lot of people don't put, because the normal person looking to sell on Amazon is putting whole round numbers, and by putting those extra numbers, you're going to see a ton more products that people aren't seeing, so it's going to be less competitive, which is great. And as always, I want to show you all the helpful tips that not many other people are speaking about so that you could have the most success selling on Amazon. So there's that for the price. The reviews, you could put 530. It's important to kind of have a low review count for the reviews, because that kind of dictates the barrier to entry. So you want to keep it as low as possible, but as long as the reviews aren't in the thousands and on the first page for the main keyword, that's what's important. It'll be way too hard to enter a niche like that with reviews over 1,000. So you kind of want to keep them as low as possible, but 530 you could deal with if you do everything how I speak about on this channel, by creating an amazing listing, amazing images, PPC, doing everything right. So I mean, just taking your time to really know what you're doing. For the revenue, anywhere between like $16,000 and $32,000 I put, and so the random numbers again to kind of find products that other people aren't finding. And I just selected a few arts, crafts, and sewing, home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, and patio, lawn, and garden. So once you have that, you press search, and this is what I did. And I was just scrolling through. You're going to see a whole bunch of things to gather ideas and to possibly look further into. So I was just scrolling down, and I don't think it's on this page, but I went to the next page and I found an item right here. See this? They're little pots. So, and it's making $27,000 per month. Now keep in mind it's the spring here, and it's probably selling the most because it's a seasonal item. But if you were to source this at the right time earlier on in the beginning of the year, you could have had these in, and you could have possibly been making close to $27,000 this month and for the next few months, which is completely insane for just sourcing a product like this. So I looked into it, and it doesn't have that many reviews at all. Let's see. It has 58 reviews, which is extremely easy to compete with. And I went on Alibaba, and if you're not familiar, it's basically, this is where you source your items from. So I put in planting pots biodegradable. I hit search, kind of went down, and I found something similar to it here. And there's one back there that kind of looks similar, so you can contact their supplier. This is 0.04 cents for one, up to 10 cents. Now let's just open the calculator here. 0.04 cents for one. So I mean, if you negotiate with the supplier, you can get it for maybe like 0.05 or 0.06. Let's say 0.06. And then this competitor is selling a pack of 60, a bulk pack of 60. So 0.06 times 60 planting pots if you wanted to get. So the whole unit would cost $3.60. So maybe like $1 for shipping, $4.60. And that's pretty cheap for a product. It's small, lightweight, and it probably fits in a small box. So let's just see their listing page here, if you click on this little extension here, it's called the Amazon FBA calculator. You can find that on the Google Chrome store. It's a great little tool here. I just want to share with you. So let's say we can get it in for like $4.20. It basically shows you. So we're left with an $11.98 margin. So let's just call it $12. $12 margin, and it's basically, it is. So $12 divided by, what is this thing selling for? It's selling for $22.97. So $12 divided by, let's say if we come in at $22.95, we're left with a $52 margin. So that is absolutely amazing. I just found an amazing product here that is selling $27,000 this month and probably for the next few months through the summer, because in the United States here it's the spring and summer and people want to start planting their planting stuff for the spring and summer. So $27,000 a month. I just wanted to show you guys I found that, and in no time we could contact our suppliers, and that is a low cost item with a high margin. You saw we were making $12 per unit we sell, and it's probably selling quite a bit, as we could see there. So I just wanted to come to you today and show you how to find the best products to source with only $1,000 or $2,000 startup capital and have extremely high margin. If you follow this criteria, you're gonna find products with that high margin. So, like I said before, I mean, if they have a high monthly sales and the profit's a little bit less, it'll work too. But you just want to kind of keep the profit margin as high as possible. And if you just follow what I kind of just showed you here, you'll be set up for success. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.